Earth. Earth. Now we will discuss study about Earth. What is the shape of the orbit of the Earth? What is the shape of the orbit of Earth going around the Sun? Going around Sun. What is the Earth shape of the orbit of Earth going around Sun? Means that if this is Sun, then in which shape the Earth revolve around the Sun? That is circular, spherical, elliptical, and irregular. That is called elliptical. The actual shape of the orbit of a planet around the Sun is elliptical. The assumption made by the Newton regarding the shape of an orbit of a planet around the Sun was that the orbit of a planet around the Sun is circular. Why Earth is called the blue planet? Because of two-thirds surface covered by water, because of water laden clouds in the atmosphere, because of pollution in the atmosphere. None of these. One is correct. A is correct. The Earth is the third nearest planet to the Sun in size. It is the first is Mercury, second is Venus, and third is Earth in size. ठीक है. Nearest planet to the Sun in size. It is the fifth largest planet. It is slightly flattened at the poles. Its shape is described as geoid. Geoid means an Earth-like shape. Conditions favorable to support life are probably found only on Earth. From the outer space, the Earth appears blue because its two-third surface is covered by water. Because its two-third surface is covered by water, and means two-third means the 66.56% के समथिंग 67% के समथिंग इसमें वाटर है. ठीक है. तो two-third surface is covered by water. It is therefore called a blue planet. Earth is also known as green planet, yellow planet, blue planet, orange planet. Earth is also known as blue planet because Earth's surface is covered by Earth's surface two-third covered by the water. One astronomical unit represents the mean distance between Sun and Mercury, Earth and Sun, Earth and Moon, Moon and Sun. That is Earth and Sun. One astronomical unit represents mean distance between Earth and Sun. One astronomical unit AU represents the mean distance between Earth and Sun. An astronomical unit is approximately 93 million miles and 150 million kilometer, means 15 crore kilometer. More exactly, one astronomical unit is 92 crore 9 lakh 92 crore 95 lakh 50 वो तो 15 करोड़ किलोमीटर समझ लीजिए आप. तो 15 करोड़ किलोमीटर एवरेज. The physics phenomena when in polar regions like Alaska and northern Canada, a splendid display of colors is seen in the sky is called star intrinsic luminosity, aurora borealis, active galactic nucleus, star shower. What is the phenomena is called? It is called aurora borealis. In polar regions like Alaska and northern Canada, a splendid display of colors is seen in the sky, which is called aurora borealis. An aurora, sometimes referred to as lights, northern lights or southern lights, is a natural light when displayed in the earth sky. Movement of earth on its axis is called it is rotation. Movement of earth on its axis is called rotation, while movement around the sun is called revolution. The axis of the earth, which is an imaginary line, makes an angle of 66.2, yes, 66 1 by 2 degree with its orbital plane. द प्लेन 66.5 डिग्री 66.6 डिग्री, ठीक है, 66.5 डिग्री या 66.5 डिग्री with its orbital plane. The plane formed by the orbit is known as the orbital plane. The earth takes about 24 hours to complete one rotation around its axis. The period of rotation is known as the earth day. This is the daily motion of the earth. The second motion of the earth around the sun in its orbit is called revolution. It takes 365 days and 3 hours, means 365 और 1 by 4 days to revolute around the sun. The movement of the earth around the sun in fixed path or orbit is called revolution. Which of the following help? Why earth is called blue planet? Because it is repeated. Oh, it is repeated. That is the question, I think so. Which of the following helps keep earth atmosphere in place? Gravitational force of the moon, gravitational force of earth, rotation of earth on its axis, gravitational force of the sun. That is, gravitational force of earth is the main cause to keep earth's atmosphere in place. Our atmosphere is mixture of gases that surround of earth. It is kept in place by the pull of earth's gravity. Gravity is necessary in order to hold our atmosphere to the planet. The earth's radius is approximately 6370 km. The radius of earth at the equator is 3963 miles, means 6378 kilometers. According to NASA's Goddard Space Flight Center, Earth polar radius is 3.950 miles, means 6356 kilometers. Using those measurements, the equatorial circumference of Earth is about 24,901 miles, 40,075 kilometers. The total surface area of Earth is about 197 million square miles, means 510 million square kilometers. Why the Earth is having its own atmosphere? Why the Earth is having its own atmosphere? That is because of gravity. Atmosphere contain particles and gases which do not escape to outer space because they are bounded by the force known as gravity. The Earth's gravity comes from all its mass. All its mass make a combined gravitational pull on all the masses in your body. That is why it gives you weight, and if you were on a planet with less mass than Earth, you would weight less than you do here. What is the position of the earth when it is at the greatest distance from the sun? That is called perihelion. That is called aphelion. On 4th July, the earth usually reaches at a point of its orbit where it is the farthest from the sun, called aphelion. This location in Earth's orbit puts the planet about 94.5 million miles, 152 million kilometers from the sun. The point in the orbit where the earth is nearest to the sun is called the perihelion. On which day of the year is the earth farthest from the sun at a position called aphelion? Aphelion, it is 4th July. What is the distance from the center of the earth to the center of the moon is called? What is the distance from the center of the earth to the center of the moon is called? Orbital length of the moon, orbital length of the earth, orbital radius of the moon, orbital radius of the earth. What is called? That is C. So, what is the distance from the center of the earth to the center of the moon is called orbital radius of the moon. The distance from the center of the earth to the center of the moon is called orbital radius of the moon. On average, the distance is about 3,82,900 km from the moon center to the center of the earth. The point on the moon's orbit closest to the earth is called the perigee, and the point farthest away is the apogee. Which among the following is false about the earth? It is the densest planet, it is the 5th largest planet, it is also known as red planet, it is the 3rd planet from the earth. We know that it is known as the blue planet, not red planet. It is wrong. Earth is the 3rd planet from the sun and the only planet in the universe where life is possible. It is the most densest planet in the solar system. It is the 5th largest planet in the solar system. The Earth is called the blue planet, while Mars is called the red planet. Earth is the planet from the sun, that is the 3rd planet from the sun. In terms of size, Earth ranks number in our solar system, that is 5th. Earth is the 5th largest planet in our solar system. It is similar than the 4 gas giants Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune, but larger than the 3 other planets, rocky planets Mercury, Mars and Venus. Evidence suggests that life on Earth has existed for about 3.5 billion years, 35 million years, 3.5 million years, 35 billion years. That is 3.5 billion years. Evidence suggests that life on Earth has existed for about 3.5 billion years. Evidence suggests that life on Earth has existed for about 3.5 billion years. The earliest known fossils on Earth date from 3.5 million years ago, and there is evidence that biological activity took place even earlier. Is the time taken by Earth to return to a given point in its orbit with reference to a fixed star. It is called sidereal year. A sidereal year is the exact amount of time taken by the Earth to orbit the Sun. This orbit period is measured with respect to the position of the fixed stars. A sidereal year is then the time taken by the Earth to travel in its orbit around the Sun and return to this exact position. What is the mean temperature of Earth? The mean temperature of Earth is the 16 degrees Celsius. What is the mean temperature of the Earth? The mean temperature of the Earth is 16 degrees Celsius. The mean temperature of Earth is 16 degrees Celsius and in Fahrenheit 61 Fahrenheit. Al-Ajijian region of Libya with maximum temperature. कौन सा? Al-Ajijian region of Libya with maximum temperature of 58 degrees Celsius is the warmest place, whereas Vostok in America is the coldest place on the earth with temperature reaching as low -87.5 degrees Celsius. In which direction does the earth rotate around its axis? That is in east to west, west to east, north to east, south, south to east. That is west to east, west to east. The earth rotates on its axis. It's rotate in eastward direction and in anti-clockwise in prograde motion. So the direction of earth rotation is considered as from west to east. The earth complete rotation once in 24 hours. Since the rotation of the earth is from west to east, the moon, sun and all other celestial bodies appear to move from east to west. Who was the first to measure the circumference of earth? That is Eratosthenes, Eratosthenes and Agius and Aphilas. That is Eratosthenes. The first known person to calculate the circumference of earth was the Greek astronomer Eratosthenes during his lifetime between the 3rd and the 2nd century BC. He observed the zero shadow at noon in Syene at the summer solstice and concluded that it was on the Tropic of Cancer. The earth revolves around the sun. Who was the first one to present this theory? The earth revolves around sun. Who was the one to first represent this theory? That is Albert Einstein, Copernicus, Galileo, Newton. That is Copernicus. Nicholas Copernicus 1473 to 1543 was a Polish astronomer known as the father of modern astronomy. He was the first modern European scientist to propose the Earth and other planets revolve around the Sun, or the heliocentric theory of the universe. How is the shape of Earth described? Circular, oblate, spheroid, spherical and oval. That is called oblate, spheroid या geoid. The oblate spheroid or oblate ellipsoid is an ellipsoid of revolution obtained by rotating an ellipse about its shorter axis. It is the regular geometric shape that most nearly approximates that. The shape of the earth, a spheroid describing the figure of the earth or other celestial body, is called reference ellipsoid. It is slightly flattened at the poles. That is why its shape is described as geoid. Geoid means an earth-like shape. What is the angle made by the axis of the earth with its orbiter plane? That is 66 degree, in exact 66.5 degree. The earth axis of rotation is titled 66.5 degrees with respect to its orbital plane around the sun, and its axis of rotation is inclined 23.5 degree from the perpendicular with respect to this plane. This tilt of the earth affects the angle between the sun beam and the normal over a surface. How many degrees does the earth rotate about its own axis in 1 hour? In 1 hour, it is completed 360 degree in 24 hours. It is completed 360 degree in 24 hours. So in 1 hour, in 2 hours it is 30 degree, in 1 hour is 15 kilometer. So that is 15. The earth rotates through 15 degree each hour. We use a system of imaginary line to tell us where we are on the surface of the earth. And earth makes a complete rotation of 360 degree. You know that complete circle is 360 degree. ठीक है, तो in 360 degree completed in 24 hours, so to be divided 360 by 24, then we will get value of 1 hour, that is 15. So 24 hours is equal to 360 degree, 1 hour is equal to 15 degree. The mean distance between the sun and the earth is approximately, that is 15 करोड़ means the 149.6 million kilometer. Earth orbits the sun at an average of 15 करोड़ किलोमीटर अप्रॉक्स याद रखें आप तो. The distance from Earth to Sun is called an astronomical unit or AU, which is used to measure distance throughout the solar system. Now we will discuss about Mars. What is approximate duration in years of the Mars retrograde? What is the approximate duration in years of Mars retrograde? That is 2. Mars retrograde happen every 2 years. When a planet is retrograde, it appears to be moving backward in the sky of the Earth. This means that during this time the planet appeared to slow down and then reverse course, moving backwards through the sky. It is kind of illusion as the planet is actually moving in its orbit. Which of the following planet is also known as red planet? That is Mars. Mars is also known as red planet. Mars is known as the red planet. Mars appears slightly reddish and also called the red planet. The iron minerals in Martian soil oxidize or rust, causing the soil and atmosphere to look red. Hence, Mars is known as the red planet. It's the second smallest planet of solar system, being the fourth from the Sun. Which planet is known as red planet? That is Mars. In terms of size, Mars ranks no number in our solar system. In terms of size, Mars ranks number in our solar system, I think so 7. Mars is the 7th largest planet in our solar system. Mars is the 4th planet from the Sun. Mars is also referred as the red planet. Mars is the planet from the Sun that is the fourth. Which among the following is not a dwarf planet? Mars, Eris. That is, Mars is not a dwarf planet. It is a planet, and all the 3 other are the dwarf planet. The authority on the naming of and classification of celestial objects, the International Astronomical Unit, officially recognized 5 dwarf planets in the solar system, which are Pluto, Eris, Ceres, Makemake, Haumea. Hence, Mars is not a dwarf planet. Which of these is a dwarf planet? Neptune, Eris, Titan, Hydra. Which of these is a dwarf planet? That is Eris. Which amongst the following planet is the smallest? Mars, Uranus, Earth, Neptune. That is Mars. The size of the planet in order from largest to smallest is: largest is Jupiter, then Saturn, then Uranus, then Neptune, then Earth, then Venus, then Mars, then Mercury. Therefore, it is clear that Mars is the smallest planet among the given options. Jupiter. Which of the following planet is not a Jovian planet? That is Mars. Mars not a Jovian planet. Jovian planets are also known as gas planets. There are 4 Jovian planets: Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. क्या कह रहा है? Jupiter. Which of the following planet is not a Jovian planet? That is Mars. Why? Because Jovian planets are also known as gas planets. Jovian means gas. Jovian planet means gaseous planet. Jovian planet means gaseous planet. Mars is rocky planets. ठीक है. Jovian planet, rocky planets mean terrestrial planets. Jovian planets are also known as gas planets. There are 4 Jovian planets. That is, Jupiter is a Jovian planet, means gas planets. Saturn is a Jovian planet, means gas planets. Uranus is a Jovian planet, means gas planets. Neptune is a Jovian planet, means gas planets. These 4 planets are called Jovian planets. ठीक है, जेसन. And these 4 planets also called as outer planets. Their composition are mostly of gases such as hydrogen and a small amount of rocky material. Here Mars is not a Jovian planet, it is a terrestrial planet called rocky planet. ठीक. Which of the following planet is also known as a gas giant? That is Mars, Venus, Mercury. Mars is a not Jovian planet. Venus is not a Jovian planet. Mercury is not a Jovian planet. Jupiter is not a Jovian planet. Jupiter is called a gas giant. जेसन में आता है. Which of the following planet is known as gaseous planet? That is Jupiter. Jupiter known as gaseous planet or gas giant. Which of the following statement about Ganymede is not correct? It is the only moon known to have its own internally generated magnetic field. It revolves around Saturn. It is bigger than Mercury. It is the largest natural satellite in our solar system. That is, it revolves around Saturn. This is not correct, and all 3 are correct. Jupiter's moon Ganymede is the largest moon in our solar system and the only moon with its own magnetic field. It was discovered by Galileo Galilei on 7 January 1610. 7 January 1610. It has a diameter of about 5,270 km, which makes it larger than the planet Mercury. It orbits Jupiter at a distance of 10,70,000 km. It is the 9th largest object, including the Sun, of the solar system. It is the largest without a substantial atmosphere. Ganymede is by far the largest moon in our solar system. Orbits around the planet Jupiter. Ganymede is by the largest moon in our solar system. Which satellite does it orbit? That is Jupiter. In terms of size, Jupiter rank number in our solar system, that is 1. तो इसका जुपिटर भी 1 है, तो इसकी सैटेलाइट भी नंबर 1 है. The largest planet in our solar system as per the size in ascending order are: largest is Mercury, then Mars, ascending order बढ़ते हुए क्रम में है, मतलब लो टू हाई में जा रहे हैं. ठीक है, सबसे छोटा मरकरी है, फिर मार्स है, फिर वीनस है, फिर अर्थ है, फिर नेपच्यून है, फिर यूरेनस है, फिर सैटर्न है, फिर जुपिटर है. तो जुपिटर इज द लार्जेस्ट एंड मरकरी इज द स्मॉलेस्ट. जुपिटर इज द लार्जेस्ट planet in our solar system. It is 2.5 times that of all the other planets in our solar system. Combined, Jupiter is the 5th planet from the Sun. Which planet has the maximum number of satellites? Which planet has the maximum number of satellites? That is Jupiter. As per the current approximate, Saturn has the maximum number of satellites in solar system. 82. At the time of examination, Jupiter was leading in the case, hence the answer was decided option A. In this question is asked in 2017. In 2000, then the highest number of satellites is Jupiter had, but now according to current data, the Saturn has maximum number of satellites. So you remember only that the Saturn has maximum number of satellites in present. Europa is natural satellite of Mars, Saturn, Uranus and Jupiter. Europa is a natural satellite of Jupiter. Europa is one of the Galilean moons of Jupiter, along with Ganymede and Callisto. Astronomer Galileo Galilei got the credit for discovering these moons, among the largest in solar system. Europa is the smallest of the four, but it is one of the more intriguing satellites. Saturn. Which of the following planet has the most number of moons? That is Saturn. Saturn has overtaken Jupiter as the planet with the most moons according to US research. A team discovered a whole of 20 new moons orbiting the ringed planet, bringing its total to 82. Jupiter, by contrast, has 79 natural satellites. In terms of size, Saturn ranks number in our solar system. In terms of size, Saturn ranks in number in our solar system, that is B2. Saturn, the sixth planet in solar system, is the second largest. Only Jupiter is larger than Saturn. The mean radius of the Saturn is 36,184 miles and 58,232 kilometers. The size of the planet in order from largest to smallest is: largest planet in solar system is Jupiter, then second largest is Saturn, then third largest is Uranus, then fourth is Neptune, then fifth is Earth, then sixth is Venus, then seventh is Mars, then eighth is Mercury. Saturn is the largest planet from the Sun. Saturn is the largest second planet from the Sun. Hyperion is the name of one of the moons of Saturn. Hyperion, one of the Saturn satellites. It is the largest non-spherical moon among more than 200 moons that are in the solar system. Hyperion was discovered in September 1848 both by English astronomer William Lassell and American astronomer Father Son William Crunch Bond and George Phillips Bond, independently of the other. It is potato-shaped satellite. Hyperion differs from most others in that it is not spherical. Saturn takes 29 years 5 months to complete one orbit around the Sun. One spin on its axis is 10 hours 40 minutes. Saturn has 82 moons. In terms of size, Titan occupies the place among the natural satellites in our solar system, that is second. In terms of size, Titan occupies second place among the natural satellites in our solar system. Titan is the largest moon of Saturn and the second largest natural satellite in solar system. Which among the following is not an inner planet? That is, inner planet means the not gaseous planet. J Sun, not an inner planet. J Sun, so means that Mercury is planet, Venus is planet, Saturn. Answer is Saturn. Out of the above planet, Saturn is not an inner planet. The inner planets are made up mostly of rock. Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars are the planets closest to the Sun. They are called the inner planet. The outer planets are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. The inner planets and outer planets are separated by asteroid belt. Uranus, Neptune and Pluto. The largest duration of the year happens on which of the following planet? That is Neptune. The planet ends this year: Mercury 88 days, Venus 225 days, Earth 365 days. Means 1 year of Earth is contain 365 days. ठीक है. 1 year of Mercury contain 88 days. 1 year of Venus contain 225 days. Mars 687 days. Jupiter 11.89 years. Saturn 29.5 years. Uranus 84 years and Neptune 165 years. Triton is the moon of which planet? Triton is the moon of which planet? Neptune, Uranus, and Venus. So Triton is the moon of which planet? That is Neptune. Triton is the largest of Neptune 13 moons. It is unusual because it is the only large moon in our solar system that orbits in the opposite direction of its planet's rotation, a retrograde orbit. Triton consists of a crust of frozen nitrogen over an icy mantle believed to cover a core of rock and metal. Triton's thin atmosphere is composed mainly of nitrogen with amounts of methane. Which is the first planet discovered with the aid of telescope? That is Uranus. Uranus, the seventh planet from the Sun, was discovered in 1781. It was also the first planet to be discovered using a telescope, as Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn were all bright enough to be easily visible to the naked eye. Which of the following is not considered as a planet within Earth's solar system? That is Pluto. Pluto is not considered as planet within Earth's solar system. In August 2060, the International Astronomical Union downgraded the status of Pluto to that of dwarf planet. This means that from now onward, only the rocky belts of the inner solar system and the gas giants of the outer system will be designated as planets. There are 8 planets in our solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Which planet is also referred to as dwarf planet? That is Pluto. Who discovered Pluto? Clyde Tombaugh discovered the Pluto. Clyde Tombaugh, born on 4 February 1906, was an American astronomer who discovered Pluto in 1930. He also discovered several clusters of stars and galaxies, studied the apparent distribution of extragalactic nebulae, and made observations of the surface of Mars, Venus, Jupiter, Saturn, and the Moon. Which is coldest planet? Uranus, Venus, Neptune, Jupiter. Which is coldest planet? That is Neptune. Neptune is the coldest planet. Neptune, being the 8th planet of our solar system and therefore being much far from the Sun, has the coldest average temperature, around minus 214 degrees Celsius. On the other hand, Uranus, being the 7th planet far from the Sun, holds the record for the coldest temperature, reached with a record of minus 224 degrees Celsius. In terms of size, Neptune ranks number in our solar system, that is 4. Uranus is the planet from the Sun. Uranus is the 7th planet of the Sun. In terms of size, Uranus ranks number in our solar system, that is 3. Uranus is the 3rd biggest planet of our solar system. The descending order of planets with respect to their size in Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Earth, Venus, Mars, and Mercury. Moon. Planetary scientists call the thin gaseous envelope around the Moon as lunar thermosphere, lunar endosphere, lunar stratosphere, lunar exosphere. I think so, lunar exosphere. Planetary scientists prefer to call the thin gaseous envelope around the Moon as the lunar exosphere, since it is so tenuous that the gas atoms very rarely collide with each other, while the Earth's atmosphere near the mean sea level contains minus 10 to the power 19 atoms. in a cubic centimeter of volume. The lunar exposure contains 10 to the power 4 to 10 to the power 6 atom in cubic centimeter. Argon 40, which is one of the isotope of the noble gas, is an important constituent of the lunar exosphere. The weight of an object on the moon is equal to of its weight on the earth, that is 1/6. If you have 60 kg of weight, if you have 60 kg weight on earth, you go to moon, here is your weight only 10 kg, you become the 10 kg person. The mass of the moon is 1 by 81 times and its radius 1/4 times that of earth. As a result, the gravitational attraction on moon is about 1/6 when compared to earth. The moon's gravitational force is determined by the mass and the size of the moon. Hence, the weight of an object on moon is 1/6 its weight on earth. The moon is far less massive than the earth and has a differential radius as well as. A bomb explode on moon. A bomb explode on the moon. You will hear its sound on earth after. You cannot hear the sound of explosion. If a bomb explosion on the moon, no sound will occur due to absence of atmosphere. What is the study of moon called? It is called selenology. Selenology. Branches and study. Selenology, the study of moon. Cosmology, the study of universe. Iridology, the study of natural remedy for erase of eye. And planetology, the study of planet. The term blood moon is used to refer to lunar eclipse. A blood moon occurs when earth moon is in a total lunar eclipse. While it has no special astronomical significance, the view in the sky is striking as the usually whitish moon becomes red or ruddy brown. What is the radius of the moon? That is 1.74 into 10 to the power 6 meter. The moon's mean radius is as it is for planetary object like the earth, determined as the average distance from the physical center to the sphere. The value is equal to approximately 17,48,000 meters, 1.74 into 10 to the power 6 meter. This is roughly 1738 kilometers. Asteroid. Which among the following is the largest asteroid? That is Ceres. Dwarf planet. Ceres is the largest object in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter and the only dwarf planet located in the inner solar system. Asteroids have their orbit between which of the following planets? That is Mars and Jupiter. Asteroids are small rocky objects that orbit the sun. Although asteroids orbit the sun like planets, they are much smaller than planets. There are lots of asteroids in our solar system. Most of them live in the main asteroid belt, a region between the orbits of the Mars and Jupiter. कल पढ़ेंगे हम comets.